Alright, so we're getting close on the stands, just unpacking them, take all the wrapper off, takes a while. I measured the ear height from this couch is going to be about, well, we got one already passed out, 41 inches ear height. Okay, this could be very impressive coming in from the foyer, which is already impressive. But piano, great mirror, balcony, but everybody I know will be looking straight at this. So we got some New Orleans Saints black and gold stands. We're in Vegas, so we probably should have done black and silver. But we'll get them some Saints caps. This looks so badass though. That antique gold with the black looks really good.
The session going to be canceled. Then I will basically
that's good. We're not using
that you can join there.
And all of these tape tracks are adjustable for the distances between it. How many of these?
Maybe what I'll do is I'll schedule a morning session.
So a lot of versatility, and as you've seen before, lights, LEDs, spikes, colors of the anodizing, and also going through. If you hear on the microphone, this is a good chance to show what Wilson's talking about. I'm in this corner here, and one of the things they do for recommending for setup is start talking from the back wall, and as you move further away from the wall, your voice, the characteristics will change, and at some point you'll start getting, if you have a back wall, especially if it's closer, you'll start getting reflections from that wall hitting as well. So you can probably even hear on this microphone that aspect of what's going on that they tell you to judge. And obviously when you do get that first level of your voice changing and getting into a better tonal characteristic, which is about right here, then as you go further and you start getting reflections from the back wall, of course here is not really that prominent. It's a unique size room, and there's only one side wall, so we can't follow the directions to the letter of the law. But this is approximately where we're going to start with the setup, and then we've got the ear height, not based on somebody sleeping, actually based on somebody sitting, is 42 inches. The lesson is when you get to Vegas, don't do a gummy, or you'll pass out within a half hour.
Yeah. Okay, all right, let me know.
Luckily, the rest of us did not do a gummy. I think we're going to have to use that outlet because there's a walkway here.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
So probably that outlet over here will be the main outlet.
We have a long power bill? 6 feet, but
Yeah,
it's going to be close. We have extension.
Is it a power distribution block too?
Yeah.
Okay, so by the two.
Oh yeah, these speakers don't need power.
Yeah.
You're listening that Avantgarde for too long.
Just go straight to the wall.
So that'll be fine because most people won't even see this power cord from here. And then you're going to see speaker cables coming out, so it'll just blend in with the cables. Just came from the Long Beach show where these were featured. Not these particular ones, but they were driving the Vox.
Ooh, they look good. Yeah.
See, a little lower, right? So
Yeah.
if we do this, let's see. Let's see.
Yeah.
We did this, right?
Maybe put the very high one here.
The tall one, so match up real better.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay,
Because
that's
if not, it's like in the middle, kind of short, right?
Yeah, okay, let's try that.
Do you want to block? You want to make sure not to block the fireplace
Oh,
though?
that's true. Yeah.
We'll have to see how it looks from behind.
All right, let's carry Robert to the
This amp looks really good.
Oh yeah.
Gummies 1, Robert 0.
The build quality is so different to the RA100.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's not the same. The top, the bottom is the same thing. Can you tell?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably gonna look good. It's not gonna block the fireplace either.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Yeah, that'll look good.
Oh, we already got internet. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. Like the middle is a bit higher.
So you can still put something on the bottom later.
Yeah.
Right? I can send you the plate. You don't need to put the legs. And we have bumpers. You can put that on the bottom.
Oh, just one more. Yeah.
You don't have to get the whole legs.
Oh, okay.
Just the middle.
Yeah.
I think it's like 17 by 14. Tape makes them.
Okay.
Now, do you use that door there? I mean, the speaker
Not really.
cable.
We don't
Okay.
have to.
So, because if not, they have those things that you can put over the cables that you can walk over, so you don't
Oh.
trip on them.
Oh,
You
it's
know.
okay. We don't have to. Because
Yeah.
there is a door over there.
Okay,
And then
so
the
you don't
door
have to
in
go
the
through there. Okay.
office. Yeah.
But people can get around if need be.
Yeah.
And we can pull these out to be equal with those, so you'll have a little more room.
Yeah, I think this position actually better if it's okay, so we can
Push that
one
back? Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Either one of these, this is a minimum of 3 feet out, which is
Yeah.
recommended. The way they tell you to do it is stand at the back wall and then talk. And then when your voice starts to change in tonal balance, you know, around here at the three foot mark, that's kind of where you want to set the back mark for the speakers. Then you're going to start getting reflections off the back wall. Now yours is so far away, it's not as big a deal, but that's where you would set a second mark and you kind of start positioning in these areas. Do the same with the sidewall. Here we're not going to have really sidewall reflections. This one a little bit, but you've got curtains, so
You see those,
it should work out pretty good.
yeah. So if people say the further away from the wall, the more bass is actual. More
No,
bass.
normally you get reinforcement. Coupling to the wall will give more bass, but then it can cause other issues with tonal balance with the vocals, you know, because you're in like a cave, you know. So you kind of want to balance. And these don't really need any reinforcement for the bass. They're not like, these put out a lot of bass, so you don't really need the corner placement to help.
Shall we try plug the? Maybe we plug the power amp directly into the wall.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Plug
Yeah,
that
we
one to the
suggested
wall. Yeah.
last time.
But is it gonna have like the cables? Somebody gonna trip or anything?
No, we're not gonna use this.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, let's use the too long cable for that.
There's only one potential issue with using two different outlet. Well, are we not going to use that outlet over there?
One come here, one goes there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you use two different outlets, you'll get a ground loop hum, but we'll listen and see.
Oh, okay.
So if everything's plugged into the
from
same outlet, then you don't get the ground
I
loop,
see.
or at least less likely. But let's just see.
Yeah, we'll see.
It might work because yeah, you're right. It's better to plug the amps directly in the wall if we
Yeah,
can.
it is the amp straight to the wall.
Although this is just a distributor, it's
Yeah,
not
just
really
for
a
that.
filter.
Just for a preamp.
Yeah.
Both sides.
I don't
So-
know if the top jumpers are attached over here.
No, you can't buy wire these speakers.
No, but the jumpers I don't think are attached.
Oh.
We don't want to short anything.
Oh, they already got speaker cables in there?
Yeah.
Is it not on?
Because, yeah, we want to be careful not to turn it on until these are connected and short something.
Yeah. We're not gonna pound anything yet, so.
Let's see, we got all these connected?
Yeah, this one is good to go, except the
That
bottom.
down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably have to use those ones.
Yeah, for
That's
now,
1.5 meters.
Yeah, one.
This is 1 meter, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a few inches.
We'll move them a bit closer.
Yeah, you can move the stand. Let's see
Yeah, we
visually.
can move it
Just
closer.
stretch.
So.
If it's just a few inches,
Yeah.
Closer?
Yeah, let me make sure how
Oh,
far the
center?
center first.
just measure, we can measure the length of this
Feet, yeah.
bottom thing. It's 93, so
46.
about 46 and a half would be,
46.5 right here.
46 and a half would be the,
Right here.
so is that about,
I'll put a little tape right there so we can always adjust it.
let's see how it looks from a distance. don't know. You might want to come back here and see, compare before you move the other one. It might be a little too cramped.
Too cramped? What
I don't
about
know.
the 4 for now?
I kind of like.
Like that looks good. Yeah.
I think the other one, the space looks a little better on the left.
This is too close. Huh?
Too close. I think it looks cramped.
But the cable's not long.
Does he have a
What
meter and a
about
half?
the?
What other cables do he have?
Can he use the another seal tap? Does he have another seal?
Yeah. What about the Shanyata right here?
Yeah, another seal tap. At least you know. At least minimum you should get.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5.
Yeah, because you don't want it to be too straight.
Yeah, we're gonna move it up. Should we just move the whole thing?
Huh?
We should just move the whole thing.
With the rack?
Yeah, on the bottom, right? And then, okay. Ready? Okay, ready? And then we'll go a little more.
Wait.
I think we should just line it up right here.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that
On the
looks good.
side.
See if it's lined up.
I'll go back in a little more.
I actually like this cable. Looks really nice.
Oh, wait till this is the entry level. The one
it
up.
looks better?
Oh, yeah, not
I think that one is out a little further.
two further out?
That one's about 2 inches further out.
Okay. Your kid is old, right? Old enough. They don't
He's-
run
he's-
around.
he's
and
okay.
Throw stuff at it.
No, he doesn't do that at all.
I think it looks good like that, out like that, so he can
Yeah.
he can still walk, right?
Yeah, yeah, this is good. Yeah.
So you're,
Alright.
you're 9
This
inches.
one's a little bit tight.
Okay.
So that
So
one
you want to
looks
do
good.
it the same distance?